Hi there, my name is Sean Crooks here at Nurse Chevrolet Cadillac. Today we're going to demonstrate one of my favorite features found in pretty much every GM vehicle right now with a push button start. It's called passive unlock and lock. Let's check it out. So from the home screen, you want to hit settings. You want to make sure you hit vehicle. You want to scroll down to hit remote lock, unlock and start. You want to scroll down to hit passive door unlock. This one driver door only, or you can have all the doors open as well. We want to close that off. And then when we go to passive door lock, you can either have it off, you can have it go on with a chirp, which is my favorite, or just on. Let's go see how that works. So now that you've set your lock settings, all you're going to do is keep your key fob in your pocket, come up to the vehicle, hit the button, and you're in your vehicle. Very simple. So when you're getting ready to leave the vehicle, all you need to remember is make sure you have your keys in your hand. You're going to shut the door, start walking away, and it locks by itself. Pretty good, eh? Thanks for watching.